Every morning, specialized sealed grain hoppers deliver over 100,000 pounds of ultra-fine, high-protein wheat flour, specifically milled for optimal noodle production. This facility processes only the highest protein hard wheat flour, specifically selected for its superior gluten strength. Before a single gram enters production, every incoming flour batch is scientifically tested for protein content. The alkaline kansui solution is the secret ingredient that gives Asian-style instant noodles their characteristic yellow color.
Only the purest reverse osmosis filtered water is used to ensure absolute consistency in the alkaline solution concentration and the final dough hydration level.
Every individual ingredient stream is independently weighed, digitally verified against the master recipe formulation.
Proces. The precise concentration of the alkaline kansui solution directly determines the final noodle color intensity, with higher
The computerized recipe management system physically prevents any ingredient addition outside its specified weight tolerance. Inside the massive vacuum mixers, dry flour and alkaline water meet in a precisely controlled industrial hydration process.
Vacuum mixer removes all tracker of the developing dough, preventing the micro bubbles that would create unacceptable white spots.
At precisely calculated hydration ratios, the wheat proteins aggressively absorb the alkaline water and begin.
friction from the violent high-speed mixing generates internal heat that must be continuously monitored to prevent premature.
In exactly 12 controlled minutes, the perfectly hydrated crumbly mixture is ready for the progressive mechanical compression of the multi-stage sheeting roller system. The crumbly pre-dough must now be progressively compressed through multiple successive roller passes to develop.
The compound sheeting system progressively reduces the sheet thickness through 6 successive roller passes.
Each successive roller pass further compresses and aligns the internal gluten-protein network, progressively
After 6 progressive reduction stages, the sheet has been transformed from a rough, crumbly mass.
The single wide sheet is precision split into multiple parallel lanes, each one feeding an independent slitting machine.
The interlocking grooved slitting rollers precisely cut the continuous sheet into individual noodle strands of exactly the target width.
Thousands of individual noodle strands emerge as a beautiful, dense golden sheet that superficially appears continuous, but the signature wavy zigzag noodle shape is created by a simple but elegant speed differential between consecutive The faster upstream belt pushes the strands onto the slower downstream belt, causing the excess lengths to buckle sideways into the character.
Wave frequency directly affects the final cooked noodle texture and the consumer experience. More waves per length create a firmer.
The continuous wavy noodle sheet must now be precisely portioned into individual consumer-serving blocks by high-speed synchronized cutting mechanisms. Each individual noodle block is precisely positioned into a custom steel frying mold that will hold its exact shape during the The steaming tunnel pre-gelatinizes the starch in the raw noodle strands, partially cooking them and creating the molecular transfer. Steam gelatination converts the raw crystalline starch molecules into an amorphous cooked state that can rapidly reabsorb water when the consumer adds boiling water for preparation.
The steaming duration and temperature must be precisely controlled. Understeaming produces noodles that remain hard. The steamed strands display a characteristic translucent appearance and slight surface tackiness from the gelatinized starch.
The steam-cooked noodle blocks now approach the most energy-intensive machine in the facility, the massive continuous deep oil flash fryer.
The continuous steaming process operates 24 hours per day without pause, simultaneously processing thousands of
high-pressure boiler-generated saturated steam maintains the tunnel at exactly 100 degrees Celsius and 100% relative humidity throughout the entire steaming zone.
The critical transition from steaming to frying must happen rapidly to prevent the gelatinized starch surfaces from cooling. The flash fryer instantaneously dehydrates the steamed noodles by violently driving off all internal moisture with superheated oil.
The superheated oil at precisely 150 degrees Celsius instantly flashes all internal moisture into steam.
At peak capacity, the massive fryer simultaneously processes over 500 individual noodle blocks, each one.
After exactly 90 seconds of total submersion in superheated oil, the noodle blocks emerge completely dehydrated, rigid, and permanently structurally set. The rigid fried blocks are carefully extracted from their steel molds and transferred to the extended air cooling conveyor for gradual temperature reduction before packaging.
The microscopic air channels created by violent steam escape during frying are the critical structural feature that enables the consumer. Continuous oil filtration maintains frying oil quality by constantly removing degradation products that would otherwise progressively darken the
ripple or bunchets. Oil quality is continuously monitored using standardized color comparison and chemical analysis to ensure it remains.
The hot-fried noodle blocks must be completely cooled to ambient temperature before packaging to prevent condensation inside the sealed.
Complete cooling verification is essential. Any residual warmth would create condensation inside the sealed package.
There's a cliff. While the noodle blocks cool, a parallel high-speed operation produces the individual seasoning sachets that will...
Each seasoning sachet contains the exact precise measured quantity of the proprietary flavor blend, including dehydrated vegetables.
The seasoning sachet machine produces at rates precisely matched to the noodle block production speed, ensuring an exact 1-to-1.
The simple pairing of one rigid noodle block and one tiny seasoning sachet creates the complete consumer meal kit.
The packaging department operates as the final transformation stage, encasing the paired noodle block and seasoning. The pusher bar timing is precisely synchronized with the film registration marks to ensure the printed graphics are correctly positioned on every finished package. The fin seal and crimp cut jaws operate at extreme synchronized speed, simultaneously sealing the current package and cutting it free in a single motion. Each sealed package must maintain its hermetic integrity throughout the entire commercial shelf life, typically 12 months, to Every package is independently weighed at full production speed, with any unit exceeding the acceptable weight tolerance being instantly pneumatically rejected. The facility simultaneously produces both standard pillow-wrapped instant noodles and premium cup noodle formats on dedicated parallel packaging lines. Cup noodle formats include multiple sachets containing separate seasoning powder, dried vegetable garnish, and liquid sauce concentrate for a more premium consumer experience. The foil lid seal must maintain perfect hermetic integrity to protect the dehydrated contents from moisture absorption and flavor loss. Hundreds of thousands of completed consumer packages flow from the packaging department toward the final case packing and palletizing operation every hour. Automated Delta robots carefully load the sealed flexible packages into protective shipping cartons without crushing or deforming the fragile fried noodle blocks inside. The centralized robotic palletizing cell receives sealed shipping cartons from all packaging lines through elevated merge conveyors. The shipping label enables complete supply chain visibility from factory to retail shelf through global tracking systems.
The distribution warehouse maintains over 30,000 completed pallets simultaneously, representing billions of individual. The automated system maintains strict first-in, first-out inventory rotation for consistent product freshness.
Distribution logistics operate around the clock to deliver instant noodles to retail outlets, convenience stores, and institutional food service customers globally.
International export containers are loaded directly at the factory's rail siding for efficient long-distance distribution to overseas markets. Each departing vehicle carries enough instant noodles to supply an entire city's convenience stores and supermarkets for a full restocking cycle.
From the elevated nerve center, engineers monitor every mixer, sheeter, steamer, fryer, and packaging line simultaneously.
Fryer belt speed directly determines the total submersion time, which controls the final moisture content and crispiness of every noodle block produced.
The board provides instant operational overview, immediately flagging any system deviation requiring engineering intervention.
Regular fryer maintenance and oil management prevent flavor degradation and ensure consistent golden color across all production shifts.
Structured planning ensures preventive maintenance is correctly prioritized across all lines before each shift.
Every production batch is cook-tested by trained sensory panelists who evaluate strand texture, soup clarity. The wave frequency adjustment is one of the few remaining production parameters that still benefits from the experienced, intuitive touch of a skilled veteran human operator.
When darkness falls, the relentless mechanical heart of the instant noodle factory continues without pause.
One engineer commands the entire autonomous facility alone, surrounded by screens and sustained by the very product they manufacture.
Millions of sealed packages march toward the warehouse, without human eyes watching. The silos drain steadily through the night, feeding the insatiable machines below.
Even in darkness, the facility maintains absolute clinical sterility automatically. An eternal river of instant nourishment flows through the darkness, destined for billions of bowls worldwide.
From raw flour to a sealed iconic package, the intricate automated choreography is staggering perfection.
Modern engineering has transformed humble wheat flour into a genuinely awe-inspiring global instant food empire. One tiny package, born from 5 million total units produced today.
This mammoth facility stands as a testament to the power of modern food automation.
It all begins here. In the warm earth of an endless wheat field, nature grows the grain that will feed billions. The factory exists in eternal balance, raw flour arriving and finished products departing endlessly. The industrial journey of massive machines culminates in this simple, satisfying moment, a steaming hot instant meal.
And so the eternal cycle continues. Raw flour entering. Perfect instant noodles emerging endlessly from the other end.
The cycle continues. New workers arrive to sustain the perpetual rhythm of production. From above, the scale becomes comprehensible. 5 million packages daily, 365 days a year.
The progressive compression transforms loose, crumbly flour into a smooth, dense, elastic sheet in minutes. With every system at capacity, the facility reaches its full, magnificent potential.
The simple 3-minute meal that connects a family dinner table to thousands of machines and hundreds of dedicated workers. The humble instant noodle, wheat flour, water, and oil. Behind it, a breathtaking global empire feeding 3 billion servings every single day.